what
Yes.
what makes this run more special and more exciting?
All right. So again, when you say fun run, I think this is the definition of fun run, because when you join this event, it's more of experiencing the run with Pikachu. No, so we will be having an opportunity to meet and greet Pikachu in the activity area, and of course we have activations along the route and at the activity area. So we have Putu both, we have some installations. But of course, again, when we organize races, one of our priorities, the safety and security of our participants. Even though this is a fun event, we will make sure that the safety of our participants will be our priority. So again, this is our first time no to organize the Pokemon fun run no. And we are very very happy na first time sold out siya. So in just 15 minutes yung first wave ng opening ng registration namin sold out, then when we reopen it again sold out again. So hoping no for next year if this race will be a successful, because we receive a lot of requests to open more slots. But of course, as I mentioned, our priority is the safety of our participants and make sure na when they join this event, yung fun factor will not be neglected. So that's why we limit it to 10,000 muna for this year. But hoping next year, if we see that there's an opportunity to increase the number without sacrificing the fun and safety of our participants, we will do so.